friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a new bag box subscription styling service today, and it is Natalie Attired. It's not new to like anyone but me, I guess. I don't know. You know what I mean. It's new to me. It's been around for a while. But it comes in a bag like this. It's just like a white bag, you know. If they send you 5 things, I have to look at my phone though and kind of tell you about it because it's my first one. And it's, you know, I don't know much about it. It is a $20 styling fee. They have 2 different collections. There's a classic collection and a limited collection. So I just did the classic collection this time. They send you 5 things, $20 styling fee. Whatever you decide to keep, that $20 goes towards it. If you keep 3 or 4 items, you receive 20% off, or if you keep all 5 items, you get 30% off. So that's kind of neat. There's going to be more about Natalie Attired down below in my description with a referral link too if you want to try it for yourself. And yeah, let's just get right into it. So you do have to kind of open the bag carefully on the perforated part because I think he used the same bag to send it back. I could be wrong, but I'm just erring on the side of caution this time instead of just ripping into it. So let's see. Empty bag. Alright, so here is our flat little bundle. It looks like there's some jeans, some stripes, some flowers, maybe some animal print, some coral. And this is one that I didn't get to peek at, so it's another one of those that, you know, torments me. But that's alright. So let's just open it. It does have a cute little sticker on there, so that's cute. That's their little logo. Alright. Oh, and it's like a little handwritten note. Hi Rachel, welcome to Natalie Attired. I chose a pair of distressed ankle jeans and tops to go with them. Enjoy. I think it says Renee. It's handwritten. And it has the price sheet, which we'll go over at the end. So cool. Alright. And then on the back of the note too, it has like the instructions and everything for how to check out. So that's pretty neat. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, okay, it does have a bag, so you can just rip into that bag if you want to. It does have one to put things in to send it back. Good to know. Alright, so first top we have, it looks like it's like that coral tie-dye. It's very interesting. It has some seams going in, you know, different directions. Very interesting. It looks like it's like a high-low kind of top. Yeah, that's kind of, I'm not sure how I feel about it. We'll try it on. I do really like the color. I like the tie-dye. I'm just not sure about the, what do they call it? Like the open seam, whatever it's called. But it looks comfy. So that's nice. And then we have a animal print dolman, it looks like, which also looks very comfy. Look at those cute little sleeves. This could be super cute. Look how cute that is. So then it's just gonna drape all over the place. That could be really cute. These do look a little big. I wonder what size they sent. Let's see. Okay. They sent all larges, but these tops look a little bit big. But maybe their stuff just runs big. And this is by the brand Andre by Unit. So that's nice. Next we have, not sure this is my style at all, nor my color, but we will try it on. It's a high-low top as well. It has no stretch. It does have a few buttons there, but they're like sewn, so it's not going to come apart. And there's some like little rouging right up there with a ruffle. There's some elastic at the sleeve. Not sure I'm going to like this one, but we'll try it on. You never know. Maybe I will. Maybe we will. Maybe someone will. And next we have a striped top that has the kind of bottom that's like a shirt tail kind of bottom, which I used to love these kind of tops like, dude, I don't know, 15 years ago, maybe, when they were like kind of popular. So that's kind of cute. You know, it is kind of, it's kind of like a denim kind of color. I wouldn't call it navy, but I do like the stripes. We'll try that too. And then lastly, they have a pair of jeans, which are miraculously not cropped. But they have a scissor hem, which I like. And do they have any distressing? They have a little bit of distressing at the knee on one side. No distressing on the back. Real pockets. So not a bad first bag from them. That's kind of exciting. All right, so let's try everything on. All right, so here's the first top. I think it's cute. I don't have anything like it in my closet right now. I think it's nice. I think the fit is nice. I like how it flows out here. That's good for your days when you're like just not feeling any tight shirts, which honestly, how many days are those? I think it's cute. I like the length of the back, if you can see. Let me angle the camera down since we're gonna have to look at the jeans anyway too. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's cute. I think I like it. Wear to work, wear on the weekend. The jeans, I like them, but they're very tight up at the waist. They might stretch out a little bit as time goes on, but there's no stretch at all in this denim, which is good for, you know, denim, if you don't want any stretch. But I think they're cute. I just don't think I'd wear them because they're too tight at the waist. But I do like the hem on the bottom of the jeans with that scissor hem. I think they're a nice length. I think they're cute. They just are too tight through here. So I think this shirt might be a winner so far. I think it's adorable. Let me go put on some of my own jeans and then we'll try on the rest. I feel like Mrs. Roper from Three's Company. I don't know, I feel like a hippie or something, which hippies are fine, but not with this silhouette. It could be super cute on someone, just not me. It's just not me. It's just not me. The bust line, first of all, is like right up here, and I think bust lines are supposed to be under the bust. So this is a bust. The color's pretty, the pattern's pretty. I think this would look really nice on someone else, just not me. So it's you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. This would be cute. I was just thinking as I looked in the mirror, if this were long and it didn't have this like bust line right here, this would be like a really cute swimsuit cover kind of thing, in my opinion. If it were longer, it's like that kind of flowy material. I think the pattern's really pretty for that, but just not as this kind of shirt. So let's try on the other ones. Okay, I really like this one. It's like a poncho almost, but it does go all the way down, so it's a shirt. You know how some ponchos have like a slit up the side and you still have to wear something under it? I think this is so comfy, it's cute, I could wear it to work, which is, you know, I don't know why. I just want to be able to wear most things to work because I spend most of my time there. I think this is so cute. I really like it. I like the length of it. You can wear it with leggings. Let me angle it down so you can see the length. Look how long it is. That is so cute. This is another one where it's like, yeah, I'm not feeling anything tight today. I just want to be comfortable, yet like kind of stylish and chic. I really like this one. This is for sure staying with me. I think it's super cute. I might even wear it to work today. I have to go to work today, by the way. So yeah, another 12 o'clock day. I think this is adorable. I like the neutral color. You can wear it with any color pants. This is a winner. All right, last shirt. So I really, really love the colors of this one. I'm not a fan of like the exposed hem kind of stitching. You know what I mean? It has a side split. I think it'd be really nice, just like casual, put on for around the house. But I'm just not a fan of all the exposedness. Exposedness. I sound like Moira Rose from Schitt's Creek. Exposedness, David. She's sometimes British. I don't know. The colors are really beautiful. It's a shame. It's a shame. It's just a shame. So, okay, you guys, that was my first NATALIE Attired box. Let's go over the prices. Yeah, look I mean, it's just too cash. Everything else would have been perfect. If this were like a cuff sleeve, none of this was here, it had the V-neck, it would have been fine. All right, let's go over the prices. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up if you could. I'd really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It's somewhere down there. If you like these kind of things, you know, unboxings, videos, clothes. Just, if you want to do it, do it. All right, so I'm going to read like the back of the note too. It says, please take a few minutes to try everything on. Something you may have passed by in the store might look just right. Within 3 days of receiving your collection, please sign into your account to check out. Keep all 5 items, save 30%. Keep 3 or more, save 20%. Keep 1 or more, your $20 styling fee will be deducted from your total. Need to return any items? Use the enclosed postage paid envelope and drop it in any U.S. mailbox. Why not share the love? Earn a $25 credit when each friend you refer makes their first purchase. So yeah, like I said, I'll leave my referral link down below if you guys want to try it. I don't know if you guys get any credit. I would get credit if you do use that referral link, but no pressure. And then it says, thank you for letting us style you. All right, let's go to prices. So for sure, I'm going to keep that leopard one. And hopefully we can figure out which ones are which, because it is kind of confusing on the invoice. I will say that. They don't have pictures or anything, which, you know, I'm a picture gal. My husband's a picture guy. If we go to a restaurant and there's no pictures, he just really hates that. So the first one is the Coral Top by GIGIO, G-I-G-I-O, G-I-G-I-O. The Coral Top, it has the color, so I'm just gonna go with it. It's $42. The Andre, that was the leopard one in mocha. Short sleeve leopard print top, $46. So I'm going to keep that. So my $20 styling fee will go towards it. So I'll only, you know, owe another $26. Another GIGIO in sky blue, the Moo it says 3/4 sleeve floral high-low top, $46. So these prices, everything's less than $50. It's kind of nice for a change of pace. And that was $46. The high-rise distressed straight jean, $49. That's good for jeans. If I did really like how they fit everywhere else, just not in the waist. And then what is it? Yeah, it's by Blue Haven. This one here. It says it's in gray, which I guess I could see. That's $42. So I did like that one too. So I'm gonna wrestle with the idea of keeping that one and the leopard print. So if I did that, it would be $88 minus the $20 styling fee, so $68 for those 2 tops. I think I'm just gonna keep the leopard one. Oh, we got a little blown out there. I think I'm just gonna keep the leopard one this time. So the total of the box was $225. If I did keep everything, let's do the math real quick. We're gonna pull up our handy dandy calculator. Blue's Clues kids, are you out there? So if I kept everything, it'd be $180 minus the $20 styling fee. So $160 for the whole box, which is kind of around Stitch Fix prices, a little less sometimes, most of the time. So yeah, not a bad box / bag. I'm really excited to get another one. I'll leave more in the description below about NATALIE Attired. And yeah, if you guys want to try it, I'll leave my referral link down there too. No crush. No crash. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.